Does your partner wake you up at night because they snore? Does it sound like they stop breathing in their sleep? If so, they could have a condition called sleep apnea, and it could lead to serious health problems like heart disorders and depression. But we know where you can get some help over at the Center for Sleep Apnea and Snoring. And joining me today is sleep technician Veronica Murillos. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
This is a topic that, if they're snoring, okay, yes, it can be annoying. Yes, it can keep your, the other partner up or whatnot, but it can also be a sign of a serious condition. Let folks know what sleep apnea is and how to treat it.
Exactly. So sleep apnea happens when you're sleeping, and it can happen hundreds of times. What that happens is your airway collapses, and you have no oxygen going to your organs, your brain, your optic nerve, everything just shuts down. So that's very dangerous even for your heart. A lot of the people out there that have sleep apnea, they're not realizing that it's contributing to diabetes, high blood pressure, stroke. And so, of course, it's something dangerous and needs to be treated as soon as possible.
Because your quality of sleep, of course, can affect your entire life, and your day-to-day activities. If I know that a partner may notice that you're not breathing at some points during the night, but if you're alone, how do you know if that's happening to you? What signs should you look for?
The best thing to know, when you wake up in the morning, you've had an 8-hour sleep. You're very tired when you wake up in the morning. That's one of the things. Foggy, kind of groggy. You're just exhausted the rest of the day. One of the things that you can find out is go to a lab, get a sleep study, or come to us. We do an overnight sleep study at home, in the comfort of your own home, and we can have results within 24 hours and find out if it's something else other than snoring, because, again, like you said, it could be very dangerous to your health.
Now, there is treatment out there for sleep apnea. You guys have an incredible solution, because the original one is that kind of cumbersome.
It's a CPAP machine. Yeah, right. A lot of my patients come into the office. It's a lot of air. It goes, if you see this model right here, the way the CPAP machine works is it forces air down your nose or down your throat or either or. It's continuous positive air pressure. So a lot of people confuse it by maybe it's oxygen. It's not. And so most of the people feel that when they have it on, they can't toss, they can't turn, they can't sleep comfortably. So we have the solution here, which is called a mandibular advancement device. And what that does is it anchors to your teeth, it brings that lower jaw forward, and it opens that airway naturally without that pressured air down your throat.
And so much easier to sleep in.
So much easier to wear.
It's almost just like a mouthpiece.
Yeah, you could get up, go to the bathroom when you want to, go back to bed without having to unplug or anything like that.
All right. Is it covered by insurance?
Yes, most medical insurances do cover it, as well as Medicare.
And you have a deal for our first 25 callers.
We do. Our first 25 callers get a free consultation. That's a $200 value.
All right, there's the information on the screen. Go ahead and contact the Center for Sleep Apnea and Snoring. The first 25 callers will get a free sleep consultation. That is a $200 value. All you got to do is call 210-598-8200. That's 210-598-8200, or head to stopsnoringtx.com.